Hello students, myself Manoj Gautam, physical education teacher, Symbojia School, Agra. Today I am going to taking the class 11th physical education chapter 4 physical education for CWS and children with special needs यानी दिव्यांग. दिव्यांग means विकलांग. Viklang, instead of using the term Viklang, and we should use to term Divyang, means a persons with disability. जो पर्सन डिसेबिलिटीज होते हैं, किसी काम को सक्षम नहीं है करने में, उनको हम लोग दिव्यांग कहते हैं. Now we are going to content of this chapter. Number 1, aim and objective of adaptive physical education. Second, organization promoting adaptive physical education. Next, content of inclusion, its need and implementation. Next, role of various professionals for children with special needs. Now I am going to take the topic adapted physical educations. Now we discussing about adopted. Adopted means गोद लिया हुआ, यानी हम कहीं भी किसी भी चीज़ को कहीं से गोद लेते हैं, अपनाते हैं और अपनाने के बाद उसको अपने क्षेत्र में परफॉर्म कराते हैं और उसको परफॉर्म कराने के बाद उसको हम चेक करते हैं. तो नाउ the meaning of adaptive physical education means a diversified program of development activities, games, sports and rhythm, and suited to the interest, capacity and limitations of students with disability and who may not safely or successfully engage in unrestricted participation in the general physical education program. Next, aim of adaptive physical education: to help or aid differently abled students to achieve physically, mentally, emotionally and social growth. Next, to provide equal opportunity to the differently abled students to participate in physical education program. Next, objective of adaptive physical education. Number 1, ensure service to meet special needs. Means the main as well as the foremost objectives of adaptive and adaptive physical education is to ensure that a differently abled students to provide with physical education services that meet her unique or special need appropriately. नेक्स्ट, डेवलप मोटर स्किल, यानी इसके अंदर हम उस स्टूडेंट्स की, उस प्लेयर की मोटर डेवलप करते हैं. यानी कि ऑब्जेक्शन ऑफ एडोप्टिव फिजिकल एजुकेशन इज टू डेवलप मोटर स्किल ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स विद डिसेबिलिटीज, जो लोग डिसेबल्ड होते हैं. मोटर स्किल आर एसेंशियल फॉर परफॉर्मिंग not only specific tasks but daily routine activities also. Next, enhance self-esteem and self-image. Self-esteem and self-image of the students who are differently able is another important objective of adaptive physical education. All students can do active according to their ability and set goal, just like a throw a ball 25 times. Ensure participation to students in physical education program. इसके अंदर another important objective of adaptive physical education is to ensure that each student actively participate in physical education program regularly. Next, improve physical fitness. To improve physical fitness of differently abled students is another vital objective of adopted and adaptive physical education. Modified or adaptive experience exercise are provided in the program of adaptive physical education to improve physical fitness. Next, motivate students to protect themselves. The next important objectives of adaptive physical education is to motivate differently abled students to protect themselves under any condition and that may be aggravated and through certain physical activities. Next, promote sportsmanship quality. Among the differently abled students is also one of the major objectives of adaptive physical education. Participation in adaptive physical education programs naturally improve sportsmanship quality. Next, develop knowledge of good mechanism. It is the another important objective of adaptive physical education. Adaptive physical education helps each individual to develop knowledge and sense of appreciation with regards to good body mechanism. Next, improve social adjustment. It is the another important objectives of adaptive physical education among differently abled students is another objective of adaptive physical education. Social adjustment are essential especially in a today's society. Participation of program of adaptive physical education help the differently abled students to make social adjustment. Now we are going to next topic, organization promoting adaptive sports, Special Olympic Bharat, Paralympics and Deaf Olympics. There are three main objectives, three main topics, Special Olympic Bharat, Paralympic Games and Deaf Olympics. Now we discussing about Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat प्रॉपरली जो सबसे पहले खेला गया वो खेला गया था स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत इंटरनेशनल एंड विच वर स्टार्टेड बाय यूलिस कैनेडी श्रीवर and she is the sister of F. Kennedy and he is the former president of USA. Now started by Eunice Kennedy Silvery and sister of John F. Kennedy, the president of USA. Next, Special Olympic Bharat is recognized program of Special Olympic International. It was founded in 1987 as a Good Olympics India and changed to Special Olympic Bharat in 2001. And it is recognized by the Government of India as a national sports federation and for the development of sports opportunity for people with intellectual disability. Now we are going to mission of Special Olympic Bharat. And mission of Special Olympic Bharat to provide sports training and organization, sports competition and throughout the year and for the children's and adult with intellectual disabilities to give them precise opportunity to develop physical fitness, demonstrative courage, experience joy and participation in sharing of gift and skill. Now we are going to taking the oath ceremony of Special Olympic Bharat. First of all, all the participants collect in the auditorium arena and all are assembled in the stadium. Then we take the oath, and taking the oath ceremony in is Olympic Bharat, लेकिन now the oath is very different. Taking the oath, let me win, अगर मैं जीतूंगा, but I cannot win, और मैं नहीं जीतूंगा, तो let me brave in the attempt, but मैं ये अटेम्प्ट बहुत बहादुरी और साहस के साथ लूंगा. Next, now we taking the next topic, achievement of Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat has been organizing national games in various disciplines since 2002. Next, it has organized various tournaments, championship such as national games, national floor hockey championship, national football and table tennis championship, national volleyball and basketball championship, and national badminton championship. A total number of candidates 885 athletes have participated in 8 World Summer Games and 5 World Winter Games between 1987 to 2015. Benefits of Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat benefit number 1, improves physical fitness and motor skill. Next, instill greater self-confidence and a more positive self-image. Next, forgives friendship and ensure increased family support. Next, it helps in building leadership, promoting health of athlete and building communities. Next, it also helps in strengthening athlete mentally, physically, socially and emotionally development of the athletes. Now we are going to take the Paralympics games. Paralympic games, it is the periodic series of international multi-sports event involving athletes and with a range of disabilities including impaired muscles power. Paralympic Games are a major international multi-story events for the athlete with various disabilities such as athlete with mobility disabilities, amputation, blindness and cerebral palsy. Next, Paralympic Games are held at an interval of every 4 years following the Olympic Games. Next, the first Paralympic Games were held in Rome in 1960. Next, the Paralympic World was used officially in 1988 Summer Olympic Games which were held in Seoul. Opening ceremony of Paralympic Games. Just like a Olympic Games, number 1, it begins with hosting of the host country flag and renditions of the national anthem. Next, the athlete come for the march past into the stadium group according to their nation. Next, the host country athletes enter in the last into the stadium. Next, after that, host nation present its culture in the form of music, dance and singing, etc. Next, forming opening of the games is announced. Next, at last Paralympic torch is brought into the stadium and pass on until it reached to the final torch. wearing and light a Paralympic flame. Now we are going to taking the closing ceremony of Paralympic Games. It is also just like a Olympic game. Number one, flag bearing from each participation country enter in the stadium and followed by athletes and who enter together without any national distinction. Next, the Paralympic flag is taken down. Next, the games are officially closed and Paralympic flag extinguished. Now we are going to taking the Deaf Olympics game, and Deaf Olympic Games is also used for deaf person hearing impairments. Number one, earlier Deaf Olympics used to call World Games for the Deaf. ये जो गेम हैं वो केवल डीफ लोगों के लिए खेले गए थे एंड द डीफ ओलंपिक्स आर द इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक कमेटी sanctioned event in which the athlete compete at an elite level. Flag or any visual signals are used to alert the participant. The Deaf Olympics are held once in after 4 years. The first Deaf Olympics were held in Paris in 1924. Deaf Olympics Winter Games started in 1949. The motto of Deaf Olympics is equality through sports. Next, these games were also known as International Silent Game. Now we are going to event of sports in Summer Deaf Olympics. Crumbage, athletics, badminton, basketball, weekend volleyball, bowling, cycling, road, football, handball, judo, karate, orienteering, shooting, swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, volleyball, water polo, wrestling freestyle, wrestling Greek-Roman. Now we are going to event of sports in Winter Deaf Olympics. Alpine skiing, cross country skiing, curling, ice hockey and snowboard. Now we are going to concept of inclusion. Inclusion means समावेश, यानी हम किसी भी चीज को अपने आप में समावेश करते हैं. तो inclusive एजुकेशन मीन्स नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट्स एंड स्पेशल नीड, यानी जो स्टूडेंट्स नॉर्मल प्लेयर हैं और वो प्लेयर जो स्पेशल नीड स्टूडेंट्स हैं यानी वो डिसेबल्ड पर्सन है. तो लर्न व्हाइल शेयरिंग द सेम फिजिकल स्पेस एंड इंटरेक्टिंग सोशली एंड एकेडमिकली, यानी उन बच्चों को हम साथ साथ ट्रेनिंग देना और साथ साथ खिलाना, ये हमारा ड्यूटी इंक्लूजन के साथ साथ आता है. द नोटेबल एडवांटेज ऑफ इंक्लूजिंग एजुकेशन इज द डिफरेंटली एबल्ड चिल्ड्रंस आर एजुकेटेड विद नॉर्मल चिल्ड्रन विद इन द सेम रूफ एंड ब्रिंग ऑल स्टूडेंट्स टूगेदर इन वन क्लासरूम एंड वन कम्युनिटी, यानी हम नॉर्मल प्लेयर्स को उन प्लेयर्स के साथ जो डिसेबल्ड पर्सन हैं के साथ एक ही छत के नीचे, एक ही क्लासरूम में और एक ही समाज कम्युनिटी में साथ साथ खिलाना और साथ साथ पढ़ाना. नेक्स्ट, इंक्लूजिंग कंप्लीटली रिजेक्टेड टू यूज द स्पेसिफिक स्कूल टू सेपरेट स्टूडेंट्स विद डिसेबल्ड फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स विदाउट डिसेबिलिटी, यानी उन स्टूडेंट्स को एक साथ शिक्षा देना जो हमारे डिसेबल्ड पर्सन हैं और एक नॉर्मल पर्सन है.